under the auspices of His Excellency Dr. Ali bin Talib Al-Hanai, Under-Secretary of Planning Affairs at the Ministry of Health. The 5th course on lipid metabolism and cardiovascular risk commenced. More details on the following report by Abdullah bin Ahmed Al-Rubai.
4-day course in lipid metabolism and cardiovascular risk commenced its sessions last night. The course, of which is being participated by over 30 clinicians from MENA region, will focus on increasing the knowledge and experience of early to mid-career practicing clinicians who manage patients with lipid disorders. During the opening ceremony, a number of speeches were presented from the OSLA president, experts in lipid metabolism, and the founder of Oman Cancer Association.
This workshop is dedicated to young physicians who are gaining knowledge in the field of lipidology. One of the topics that we emphasize on is familial hypercholesteremia, and it's a genetic disorder characterized by increased amount of cholesterol in the blood, leading to premature coronary disease and death if it's not treated. One of the most important messages they want to give to the physicians and the public is trying to identify people with high cholesterol in the blood and trying to prevent the disease from occurring. This will lead to normalizing of life expectancy and prevention of disease.
Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death and diseases in every country of the world. Contributions to the education of atherosclerosis and its interventions may help reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and cardiovascular disease.
This is the 5th IAS-OSLA lipid course event in Oman, and we are proud that with the collaboration with the International Atherosclerosis Society and the Sultan Qaboos University Hospital to hold this event in Oman. This event is for training physicians from the Middle East and North Africa on the management and treatment of hypercholesteremia. The other successful win for the Oman Society of Lipid and Atherosclerosis is holding the International Atherosclerosis Symposium 2021 and 2024.
The Oman Society of Lipid and Atherosclerosis OSLA, in collaboration with International Atherosclerosis Society IAS, have made the course accessible to the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, and this one is held here is the 5th course on lipid metabolism and cardiovascular risk, organized by both OSLA and IAS.
Cardiovascular diseases, myocardial infarction and strokes are the main cause of death in the MENA region, and actually there's an unmet need on the control of these risk factors that cause this disease. Basically, this course here in Oman is a course for young physicians in order to increase their knowledge, improve their knowledge, and empower them in order to control the risk factors and prevent the cardiovascular complications in the region.
It's worth mentioning that the Sultanate will host International Atherosclerosis Symposium in 2021 and 2024. Oman Society of Lipid Atherosclerosis advocate for quality patient care concerning lipid disorders and atherosclerosis through education, research promotion, development and application of standards and guidelines to influence healthcare policy. So far has covered 165 clinicians from different parts of the Middle East and North Africa. Abdullah bin Ahmed Al-Rubai, Sultanate of Oman Television, Muscat.